trying to.
I was having to get close, Chris.
About to turn around and be like, damn, okay.
Wait a minute, Chris. Hey, this ain't that type of video, man. All right, guys, so let's check out the difference from the way I used to race compared to how I'm gonna be racing now with the free spinning hubs. Is that what you call them, Chris?
Low drag hub.
Low drag hub. I call it, you know, I'm in the hood. I'm gonna do it my way. So this the old one. Hold on, Chris. Hit it, Chris.
All right, ready?
Yeah, that's the old one.
Over there.
So this is old and busted. So spin the new one.
New hots.
Y'all, it's gonna suck you in. It's gonna suck you in. That's what it's saying. You will lose. Dang, it spins so fast I couldn't keep up. Man, you cannot hear anything.
Ready to go.
Innovative Machining Solutions. Big shout out for partnering up with me for Roadkill Nights.
This is the plank
For that hole, for the steering wheel.
the steering wheel. The old one's not going to work, so what we're going to do, we're going to make it out of aluminum. So I just finished up grinding up all the edges and all that, because we don't install nothing on the car that I can't rub on my skin. Place the new column, figure out where we got to drill for our center. That way, if we do have a fire, it stays in the engine bay, doesn't come to you.
We good?
Just like that.
What you want me to do with it, Leo? Stick it in that pipe?
Per the measurements, that's an inch closer to you than
The other car. Yeah, I mean, it feels good. And I think my other guy, his arm length may just be a little bit longer. Shift a bit right here. Okay, y'all got it like this. Oh, nice.
You're in reverse. You're trying to go to park.
Oh yeah, I forgot. This is the
Opposite of the ghost.
Yeah, this is the opposite of the ghost. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's right. It's good right here. No, this is nice right here. I like it. My shoulders are secure.
So when you take it off, you get all that room.
What do? You pull it like this?
Yeah. So
Oh, so you'll get all this room when it's
yes.
gone. So if we get in a wreck, this thing will collapse and won't come through my chest.
No, I think the chair needs to come forward more, but
No, because because Lee is just a little bit taller than me.
we're gonna record this whole thing. All right, how long does it take Herman to get out the car?
Man, look, if it was on fire.
We're recording right now.
If it was stop, Chris. If it was on fire.
Oh shit.
After 10,000 years, I'm free!
We're coming down to our final days. We just got the car back from being wired. So I'm gonna go talk to James and see what all that we have to do to get it ready. Hopefully be at the track tomorrow. Matter of fact, we gotta get to the track tomorrow. James, what we looking like, brother?
We've got to get some drive belts put on in the front.
Okay.
We got to get our converter mounted up to our flex plate. We got to get the exhaust finished.
Put the new 9-inch off in there.
Yeah, get that
With the
installed.
with the 411. So the converter's on, we just need to get it hooked up.
Yeah.
So do you think we'll make it to the track tomorrow?
That's up to Chris.
How much he wants to get done with?
How much he wants to get done.
Okay. Teamwork make the dream work. So Chris, tell us about the new differential and the new axles.
So it's a direct bolt-in 9-inch center section rear end. That's going to be from Innovative Machining Solutions. That's going to be a direct fitment in here. The driveshaft shop that made the axles specific to fit in here. And then the cool thing that Innovative Machine Solutions did is made this work with the driveshaft that you or any other person already has. All
right, so guys, the keys to that 9-inch differential is that it has pro gears in it.
Yeah.
So if you're going to do a 9-inch differential, you have to make sure that you get the pro gears from Strange, because those will hold and not break. If you do the regular gears, you have a chance of breaking the gears. You're not going to break the diff, but you'll break the gears. Don't fall, Junior. If you do, I'm going to jump out the way. Just let the diff land on you. What you looking at? Is that the Who's Your Daddy dip?
Yeah, the Who's Your Daddy camshaft that I just...
Oh man, get on out of here.
Yeah.
That the Who's Your Daddy camshaft. Hey, y'all.
You can eat this rear end from the back.
From the back? What'd you say, Chris? You can eat it from the back.
You can eat that rear end from the back.
Dang. Generally, my drive shaft comes from the drive shaft shop, but in this case, we had to get a drive shaft extra fast And this company, PST, they can do a drive shaft within 48 hours. Not saying the drive shaft shop can't, but I know PST will do it and they can get it done within 48 hours. That's a company that a lot of racers use. But the axles had to come from the drive shaft shop. Woo! Chris, is that slick or is that not slick?
There's not too many big black long objects that I'll hold in my hand.
Wait a minute.
But a PSC drive shaft is one.
Reason why we had to go PST carbon fiber because the length of the drive shaft had to be extra long, right?
Yep.
You'd have made it aluminum, it would have been huge as far as the diameter.
If you went with an aluminum, it'll be more prone to twisting because the center section will be a little soft. You do a carbon fiber reinforced drive shaft that will take the extra stress right here. The drive shaft will actually try to bow and twist right here in the middle. You let us do the car.
Man, there's no friction on there, is it?
None.
So it's not releasing, but it's still no friction. Love it, love it. I got my little mini screen right here. Hey man, we got a price tag on here, man.
Tom Bailey's soul.
How does this compare to the other deal?
All I know is that my wallet's not big enough to own one of those.
Shit. Your wallet ain't that big. Stop it. Mine ain't either. I got a little money. I'll throw my wallet away if I had your wallet, Chris. So how was the test fit, Chris? What'd you think about it?
We're good. I think we're ready to do final install.
Man, you sure handling that big black shaft with ease, Chris. You ain't been to prison or nothing, have you, man? You ain't been to jail or nothing.
I ain't been to prison. Reading those handbooks on
hey, man.
how to eat it from the back.
How to eat it from the back. Wait a minute. God. So it mounts up just like the original.
Yeah, it mounts up, has the original flange. We didn't have to rig up or weld on to any flywheels. Amazing when you know what you're doing, right? Instead, you gotta watch a whole episode about how to bolt a damn flywheel on.
You would think other people do it all the time. They just be faking the funk, huh?
Yeah, they just fake the funk.
We're gonna rock the parachute.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so we just put the Bluetooth module in there for the deploy.
It ain't no Bluetooth.
So it'll deploy on there.
On the Bluetooth from the phone.
Yeah.
Man, look at this, man. Look at this. We ain't got oil pressure yet. Bro, what's up with your fro? Back in the day, my fro was just like that. Except I would fall asleep on the couch and it'd have a lean on it.
You need to talk to your sponsor, Tucker Racing.
Wow, what's up with Tucker?
He gave us a bumper that you have to add water to and it'll grow.
Stop it, man. Get out of here. What is that?
Your front bumper to the car.
Well, just unravel it. Put that in the sun. It'll heat up in a minute. Man, I love that bumper, man.
You gotta add water to it and it'll expand.
They didn't send us a seal?
No.
Well, will it leak without a seal?
Yeah, 100%.
I'll call them and tell them to send us a seal. But we'll just use the seal from my car.
I told them several times to send me the seal.
You just gotta ask nicely, Chris.
I did.
You didn't ask nicely.
Look at me. I said, can I please?
No, that's not what you said, man. You probably said, where my mofo seal at? They hung up the phone. You finna try to turn it over now? Okay, let me go get the fuel. Well, we need fuel anyway, right? All right, guys, we finally at the stage where we're getting ready to put in some fuel. So this is a 10-gallon tank from Holley. My biggest supporter. Appreciate you, man, with the 10-gallon tank. There you go. That's what I'm listening for. What? Stop. How we looking up there, brother?
Pretty good. No fuel or leaks.
No fuel? What about in there?
Yeah, we got this tight now.
Herman, let me see your glasses so I can see the screen.
What?
God damn, that's a 52-inch TV now. Oh, 52 inches of screen. Thanks, Holley.
Shut the hell up, man. Talk to me.
Quarter turn. 55 is the base pressure. Again.
So where are we at right now?
54.
54?
Money.
55.
Okay. Any oil leaks?
I didn't see any on the bottom.
Okay.
Y'all, he gonna fool around and mess his eyes. Hey, when you jack your eyes up from welding, that ain't no joke. Hey, now Junior coming with the hood. With the, what is that for? To hold your food in? You know your head too big for that. Chris, tell the people what you're doing, man.
I don't even think I know what I'm doing.
Man, you know what you're doing. He welding these little down pipes coming off the headers down. No, I don't think they coming off the headers. So instead of bringing them right off the Texas Speed headers, he's bringing them off some little pipes he put up there. He trying to play tricks with the back pressure.
I'm not worried about me. I'm worried about you.
Get your ass out of there. I know what he's trying to do.
I don't want.
I already know what you're trying to do.
I don't want you getting hurt.
Stephanie about to bust your ass. Domingo! Here we go, man. We back at King Wheel and Tires, man.
Back at it again.
With the Silverback. We're gonna call this car the Silverback, Domingo. Yeah, we gotta get it wrapped. But first, we gotta get it aligned. Before you can race a car, you have to get a car to align with Silverback, the one that's going to Roadkill Nights, to put the gorilla stomp on them. Hey, Domingo, I think those shims are supposed to be in the passenger side over there.
The what?
The shims.
Oh, okay.
All right, y'all, so we got the alignment done. Big shout out to King Wheel and Tire, always coming through for me so we can get to the track, man. I'm gonna have to take me a nap if I get to the track so I can refresh. Thank you, sir, for keeping us straight. King Wheel and Tire, man. Domingo gonna do it for you. He can give you my race lineup. I give you my permission to give it out.
Well, take care of him.
There it is, baby. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.